So we're going on another one of those jungle walks. I can't even pronounce the word.
What?
What the name is.
What's the name? Hi, I'm Fernanda. If this is your first time here, James and I travel to different states to take you to the attractions, resorts, and restaurants. Subscribe if you like to see our next video, and leave a comment if you got value out on this video. Maharajah Jungle Trek. Maharajah Jungle Trek.
Okay, let's go.
Did you hear it?
Yeah,
Okay.
I heard it. Here we go. So here's the part that drives my wife batty.
Yeah.
And we're going in. So, I see one bat over there. Climbing up the tree. Hard to see. There we are. Zoom in on. So there's a bat right here. Another bat.
Oh, well, of course he does.
I don't usually see tigers over here. But not today. They're all in hiding.
I can see water too. I don't see anything else. Alright, let's keep moving. I think there's more windows over here.
He was licking his paws when I saw him.
Right, so he's way in the distance. Yep. You don't see his head though, that's the only thing.
Holding the lotus flower, and this one is hunting. This is the hunter. The hunter king, I believe. He's the king. I don't know what he's looking for. Must be one of these bigger guys.
It looks real good. You can see. Hidden Mickey. I don't know if you can see that, but there's a hidden Mickey right there. And there's another one of those paintings on the wall.
Oh, he's holding one of those fancy birds. I don't know what this bird is.
What?
Over here looks just like a... I don't know. What are these birds? They're just pigeons, no?
Another one. They look like some water buffaloes here.
The girls speaking Brazilian to a
Another one of those ruins. I'm gonna be walking through. Goes over a bridge.
Oh, there's the tigers.
Yeah.
One is looking at the other and getting mad with each other. Look at that. They're about to pounce on each other. What about over there? From this other side.
Yeah, but there's no tiger out right Jack. Hey there, Explorer. You ready to get your badge?
Oh boy, you chopped down the tree. Chopped down the tree. Over here, I don't know. That's like a Buddha, guys. The Red Pavilion. Red crown, so pretty.
No birds.
Come here, honey. Video in, baby.
Oh, look, the same one that went away from you. Another one's over here.
Oh, hidden in the bush.
He was just in front of me. I think we're gonna pick up a red visit. One time when we went up to the Cape, I don't know which
towards me.
resort it was. Oh, look
Hi,
at
birdie.
the different kind of plumage.
He's not afraid to be on
Different kind of
YouTube.
plumage
That's a
that he
pigeon.
has. Pigeon, but he's
There you go.
colors,
Come all this way to see a
colors.
pigeon.
The birdhouses are so fancy.
Yeah, for Asian birds.
Hey James, that's what some of the rich have for Thanksgiving dinners, pheasants. That's their meal for Thanksgiving. They don't have turkey, they have pheasant. I wonder what a pheasant costs.
Yeah,
There's a number of them over here with the red crown.
two in a wire there.
Yeah,
Flew away.
very different birds. I'll never see them back home. I'll never see these birds back home. Oh, look at this one.
Yeah, two of them.
He is so black.
One over there in the
He
path.
is so black, and his color is so dark black that it turns into a tutti frutti. What do you call that? Rainbow light. It's got like a rainbow color too to his back, because I don't know. I guess all that black, shiny black makes it. Hey, maybe is that a house? Is that a perch? That's that big guy over there.
Okay.
Oh my goodness! You guys are so pretty, everyone. I'm not sure what it represents.
So coming off the main path, a little hideaway. So we're stopping the rest of this little hideaway from the main road. You can see people walking by. It's a little offshoot. Take a rest. Shaded area. Yeah, we're gonna come off the path pretty soon. Join up with the main path. They said nobody walks up this way. Nice cool area. Get away from the crowd.